everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And in this video, we're going to do more word problems. This is part 3 of our proportions unit. Part 1 was just solving proportions, so go check that out before we do word problems. So we want to enlarge a photo. The original is 3 by 5. I want the short side to be 10.5 inches. How long is the other side? So let's do short over long. I'm going to do S over L. So here's S, here's L, here's my other S. So 3 over 5 is the original. We're going to keep that same ratio and do 10.5 over X, because I don't know the long side. So we're going to say X equals long side. So we know what we are talking about. To solve a proportion, we cross multiply. X times 3 is 3x equals 10.5 times 5. You can do this on your calculator, or you can come over here and do some scratch work, but that is going to be 52.5 once I multiply it out. If you're allowed to use a calculator in class, go for it. Otherwise, do your multiplication the long way. And then to solve this, we have to divide both sides by 3 to get the x by itself. 52.5 divided by 3 is going to give me 17.5 inches. Again, I just use a calculator, but if your teacher is not allowing you to use a calculator, do long division. So how long was the other side? It was 17.5 inches. Okay, so for this problem, 2 pounds of apples cost $5. How much would 10 pounds cost? Okay, so we've got pounds to dollars. And I like to write my ratio like in words over here so I don't forget which number goes on top. Pounds is always going to go on top and dollars on the bottom. So 2 pounds was $5. How much is 10 pounds? So the X is the cost. So we got to put the X with the dollars on the bottom. So X equals dollars for 10 pounds. Always define your variable so you know what you're looking for. At the end, if you get X equals a number and you didn't define it, you might be confused. So to solve this, we cross multiply. Oh no. We cross multiply. X times 2 is 2x. 5 times 10 is 50. Then we divide both sides by 2 to get the x by itself. So $25 for 10 pounds. I hope this video was helpful. I think I have one more video in this series on solving proportions. Make sure you check it out. Also, reach out to us at amtutors.com if you'd like to set up some tutoring sessions with our certified math teachers. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you always see when we post new videos. Have a great day.